Alright guys, I do want to do a full unboxing review and setup on my new projector screen. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Starting with the assembly, the screen is actually really easy to set up. It comes with a foldable steel stand, which is lightweight but super sturdy. It's made of durable steel, not plastic, so it doesn't feel flimsy at all. It's not something that's going to easily bend or break even after multiple uses. The pieces are clearly labeled and designed to click together without tools. I didn't need a screwdriver or anything extra. It's all made to be put together in just a few minutes. If you're using this for an outdoor setup, which I am, it also includes stakes and ropes to keep everything stable even if it gets a little windy. And the height is adjustable as well, so whether you're setting it up in your backyard, garage, or even up at a park, you can fine tune it depending on the space you have. Now that it's fully assembled, let's talk about what it really stands out about it, is the screen itself. It is a 180-inch screen with a 16:9 aspect ratio and a 160-degree wide viewing angle, so you don't have to be seated dead center to get a good view. The screen material is a polyester milk silk, which is noticeably thicker than most of the budget options out there. That gives you a sharper image and reduces light bleeding through, whether you're watching from the front or using rear projection. It's also designed to be wrinkle-free even after being folded, which makes a huge difference in an image clarity. And if you're using this outdoors or with kids around, it's fully washable, so any smudges or spills can be cleaned off or wiped off with no problem. So now let's go ahead and actually see it in action. The picture quality is actually very impressive for a setup that's portable. Whether you're projecting movies, slideshows, or even just using it for a backyard gaming night, it gives off a crisp, clean image with solid contrast. The whole thing weighs just 14 pounds and it comes with a carrying bag so you can pack it up and throw it in your trunk without needing much space. It's perfect for camping trips, presentation, family movie nights, or even giving it as a gift. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to store, but it feels super premium once it's all set up.
With a mustache from the Civil War. Well, to be honest, it feels like I've been running my whole life. Is this too much? Am I going too fast? It's kind of what I do.
As you can see, this projector screen is freaking awesome. It will take quite a bit of space, but as you can see, the quality looks really good. This is made of really good material and it just gives it a really good picture. As you can adjust how high or how low you want this to actually go. So if you guys are looking for a new projector screen, definitely consider this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.